How to share screen on Discord with sound. Sharing screen on Discord with sound lets others see and hear what you are doing. It is perfect for collaboration or gaming, and I'm going to show you how to do that in this tutorial. First thing, I want you to go ahead and open your server, and from here just basically join any voice channel. For example, I'm gonna join this one here. So I'm going to open it just like so. Now from this point forward, you're going to share your screen, and here is the proper way of doing it. So go ahead and click this one here, share your screen, and then you're going to look for that particular screen which you want to stream or which you want to share. So this one, for example, I just basically opened YouTube, and then I can just go ahead and click go live. And yes, you should be able to see this one. It's actually playing, but I'm not really gonna let you hear it because it is against copyright violation. But basically, that is how you're going to do it. It's very easy, very simple. I know you guys can do it as well. And yep, congratulations everybody. Now you know how to share your screen on Discord with sound. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if this helps you out.